Hello Bladers. Some people have debated over and over again whether or not the approximate 100,000 pesos price difference between 4x2 and 4x4 variants is worth it. Let us take a deeper dive on the pros why it's is worth option for a 4x4 version. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. The beauty of 4x4. Number 1, wet surfaces? No need to worry, 4x4 offer better traction. Roads get really slippery after a downpour. Your four-wheel drive car ensures better tractions, particularly when taking a curve in wet roads. Number 2, loose surfaces? You're covered with better traction too. Loose surfaces such as hazards brought about rice being dried on the highway or a sandy stretch of the road could probably cause the driver to slam on the brakes right away. This action could cause the vehicle to lose traction, which could lead to an accident. Four-wheel drive cars ensures better traction even on such loose surfaces. Number 3, prevent accident due to the bad weather. Unpaved roads of grassy fields are highly dangerous when it rains for your non-4x4 car. Your vehicle has a tendency to drift left and right and slam into the other cars parked near your car. With a 4x4 variant, you can prevent this to happen. Number 4, resale value, more on point. Get more bucks in the long run when you decide to sell off your second-hand 4x4. Four-wheel drive cars have a more reselling value than its 4x2 counterparts. Number 5, beat a bad terrain. Sudden bad terrain areas are not avoidable for some. If you happen to own a 4WD vehicle and stumble upon a bad terrain, you don't have to stress over the long wait to have roads cleared or spend cash while you wait to pass the time. Your 4WD vehicle got you covered as it is fit to traverse bad terrain. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.